Hi guys, this is Phantom Vacuum Fan again. With the permission from the seller, I opened up the Cyclone XT and played with it a little, and I think I got it running. It was working when I did a little test run, so let's try this again. By the way, I found out something that I'll discuss later, but the reason that you won't see, actually I guess I'll do it now. The reason you won't see the brush roll status indicator light is you can kind of see it there. However, it doesn't say brush roll status indicator. They did away with it for this model. Part of Fantom's going cheap was that they cut back, they removed it. So it doesn't actually, it's just like a peg in the old mold. But anyway, here goes. Oops, hold on. Sorry, one other thing I forgot to do. When I took it apart, I was cleaning it, the inside of it a little bit. I didn't empty the bin. I opened up the bin and was using it like as a trash bin for the things that I pulled out of it. So let me. There's no real dust in there. It's just like lint and thread and so on. So I'm not gonna wipe it out. Okay, so now here goes. So yeah, it appears that I fixed it. I spent a little bit more than I wanted to for this machine, but being that it's so rare, I couldn't pass it up, so I have to put a new HEPA filter in it. But other than that, it's in. Let me move this carpet real quick. Over there. As much as it hates, or as it pains me to say it, I have other things to do after this video. So I'm sorry if it seems a little bit rushed, but I'm just trying to get it done so that I can get on with the other things I need. I would have had time to do the video had I not had to fix it. I'm trying to use my foot to get the cord out of the way, but it's not really, there we go, working. So this is essentially the single cyclonic version of the Cyclone XT, although it's actually still dual cyclonic. I'll show you. I was going to upload the original video, but since I fixed it, I'll just upload this in one. So I'm sorry, this video is kind of in reverse. Normally I talk about the vacuum and so on, and then show it in action. But in this case, I'm showing it in action, then I'll talk about the vacuum. Let me get the hose real quickly, because I know that there's a piece of popcorn under my desk that I have to throw out. Okay, so I'll open it up and show what I picked up in a minute, but let me give you an overview of the machine. Toward the end of Fantom's run, they switched logos to be a single Cyclonic logo because they were coming out with the Crosswind 200XL, Crosswind 600XL, and Fantom Wildcat, which were single Cyclonic. So they put that on the Cyclone XT, the Lightning, and the Fury. I don't think they ever did that to the Thunder. I don't know whether it was already out of production by that point or what. I guess it was, but however, it still shows there Cyclone XT, and there's the inner Cyclone and outer Cyclone, and this sure enough has an inner and outer Cyclone bins set up. What they did was, I have to give the machine a little bit more cleaning because for some reason there's some lint on it, or like fuzz from the paper, or from the Lysol wipes I used. I guess they had a little bit extra fuzz, so I have to wipe it off. But excuse me, the original Cyclone XT would have had some aqua accents, or like real light blue. The height adjustment would have been that color. The 2 Cyclone logo would have been the canister handle, as well as the inner part to the bin and the Cyclone assembly. The power button and the handle release for the hose, as well as the handle release to recline the machine, and the clean out port knob. They are all a copper now. The machine does have one flaw. When I bought it, before I bought it, they told me that it had a broken cord clip, but I thought they meant just like this cord clip snapped maybe, or the top one snapped maybe, and so it was just like sticking out. Well, apparently it like broke completely off because there's the opening where it should have been and it's missing, and because of it this panel doesn't lay flat completely, but it doesn't affect the machine. It works. So it has all of its attachments. It only came originally with the crevice tool and upholstery attachment, but I had 2 sets of spare bare floor tools and upholstery dusting brushes, so I replaced that. In fact, I'll just give you kind of like a, here, you can kind of see down there that everything's there. I'm sorry, I'm sitting on the floor, so if you can't see it that well, you know, I'm sorry. So now to turn off the light, because for whatever reason it won't, there. Well, I might as well get up and show you. So there's that. I also I had an extra one of those cord saver clips, and so I put it on there because it would have come with one, I believe, originally. So I'm still doing some minor cleaning. Like I said, I have to wipe off the machine real quick. Also, there's little bits of tape up here and over here that I'm trying to peel off. But I'll get that taken care of. So, that, my friends, here, let me throw this out real quick. That, my friends, is my very rare single Cyclonic, dual Cyclonic, Fantom Cyclone XT. So, thanks for watching. Bye.